Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Bugamalat, and today I want to talk to you about how you could use your Xbox controller without any batteries. Now, you guys, this is going to be a really short little video. So, before we get into it real quick, I do want to tell you that I have started bugamalat.com, a little website that I'm working on, and I'm still working on that, you guys. Also, we hit the 1,000 subscribers recently, so I would like to thank all of you for that. And I do ask you to help me reaching the 10,000 subscribers, you guys, so we could get that silver play button. But for right now, let's just get right into the video. It's really quick, and I'm going to show you how to get this controller working without any batteries. All right, you guys. So the first thing you need to know is that you're going to have different controllers. Now, this is an older style controller, and the front of this right here, this little input thing right here, it's a little bit different from this one right here that I'm about to show you. This little input right here, I'm able to use with my Samsung charger, okay? And I have this without batteries, as you could see. It's just hooked up straight to my outlet, you guys. And as you could see, we're able to turn on the controller. Look, it has no batteries. We're able to turn on the controller and work the TV. Now, you guys, there's another cool little trick, all right? So as you can see here in the front of your Xbox, right there, you have a little USB thing, okay, which you could also hook up another one of your little cables and hook up to the front of your controller, and it would work. It would just power it, just like the power outlet, you guys. You could essentially take this controller and put the USB end to anything that would give it power, pretty much, and then just hook it up to your controller. Now, you guys, like I said, this was just a really quick video to help you use your controller without any batteries. I hope they helped you in some kind of way. Please remember to subscribe to the channel so we could get to those 10,000 subscribers, you guys. That would really mean a lot to me. Please remember, like, share, subscribe, and like I said, most importantly, comment down in the comment section below, because that's what really helps shape the channel, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.